Have you ever wondered how the tiny chip inside an AI server can perform trillions of calculations every second? How can a piece of silicon smaller than your hand power technologies like ChatGPT, self-driving cars, facial recognition systems, and advanced robotics? Today, we're uncovering one of the most complex manufacturing processes ever created by humans. A process so precise that a single speck of dust can destroy a chip worth thousands of dollars. Stay with me until the end, because this journey into the world of AI chip manufacturing will completely change the way you look at artificial intelligence. Right here on Stories Behind Everything. Artificial intelligence has become one of the most powerful technologies of the modern age. But behind every AI model lies a physical brain, an AI chip. These chips are specially designed processors capable of handling massive amounts of mathematical calculations, far more efficiently than traditional computer processors. Modern AI systems rely on billions of tiny electronic switches called transistors. The more transistors a chip contains, the more powerful it becomes. Today's advanced AI processors contain more than 100 billion transistors packed into an area smaller than a smartphone. Creating something this powerful is one of the greatest engineering challenges humanity has ever attempted. The story begins with one of the most common materials found on Earth: sand. At first glance, ordinary sand seems completely unrelated to artificial intelligence. But hidden inside that sand is silicon dioxide, the primary ingredient required to create semiconductor chips. Not all sand is suitable for chip manufacturing. Engineers require extremely pure quartz deposits containing minimal impurities. These raw materials are collected and transported to specialized processing facilities, where the transformation begins. The quartz is heated inside electric arc furnaces at temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees Celsius. At these extreme temperatures, oxygen separates from the silicon dioxide. What remains is metallurgical-grade silicon. While this silicon appears pure, it is still far from meeting semiconductor standards. Chip manufacturing demands purity levels exceeding 99.99%. To achieve this extraordinary level of purity, the silicon undergoes multiple chemical purification stages. Each stage removes microscopic contaminants that could interfere with electrical performance. Eventually, the purified material becomes electronic-grade silicon, one of the purest substances ever produced by mankind. The silicon is then melted inside a massive crystal-growing furnace. Engineers carefully dip a tiny seed crystal into the molten silicon and slowly pull it upward. As it rises, silicon atoms arrange themselves into a perfectly ordered crystal structure. This process continues for several days. The result is a gigantic single crystal cylinder known as an ingot. Some ingots weigh hundreds of kilograms and can exceed 2 meters in length. Every future AI chip begins its life inside one of these remarkable silicon crystals. The ingot is then sliced into ultra-thin circular discs known as wafers. Each wafer is polished until its surface becomes nearly flawless. If the wafer were expanded to the size of an entire football field, the largest imperfections would be smaller than a grain of sand. These wafers now enter one of the cleanest environments on Earth: the Semiconductor Fabrication Facility, also known as a fab. These facilities cost tens of billions of dollars to build. Inside, the air is filtered so thoroughly that it contains thousands of times fewer particles than a hospital operating room. Workers wear full-body protective suits because even a single hair or dust particle can destroy an entire batch of chips. The manufacturing process now enters its most extraordinary stage: photolithography. This technology allows engineers to print incredibly complex electronic circuits onto the silicon wafer. The wafer is first coated with a light-sensitive chemical called photoresist. Then it enters a machine unlike any other on Earth, an extreme ultraviolet lithography system. These machines are among the most expensive devices ever built. Some cost more than $300 million each. They use powerful ultraviolet light to project circuit patterns onto the wafer with astonishing precision. The patterns being printed are measured in nanometers. A nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter. To understand how small that is, a human hair is roughly 80,000 nanometers wide. Modern AI chips contain structures only a few nanometers across. After exposure, the wafer undergoes chemical development. The exposed sections of photoresist are removed, revealing microscopic patterns. Engineers then use plasma etching systems to carve these patterns directly into the silicon, layer after layer, pattern after pattern. This process repeats hundreds of times. Each cycle adds new electronic structures that will eventually become transistors, memory cells, and communication pathways. Building a modern AI processor requires thousands of individual manufacturing steps. The wafer travels through deposition chambers where ultra-thin materials are applied atom by atom. It enters ion implantation systems that modify electrical properties inside specific regions. Advanced inspection tools continuously scan for defects smaller than a virus. Throughout production, engineers monitor every stage with extreme precision. Even the smallest manufacturing error can render the chip useless. As the layers accumulate, billions of transistors gradually take shape. These transistors function as microscopic switches, turning on and off billions of times every second. Together, they form the computational engine capable of training and running artificial intelligence models. Once fabrication is complete, the wafer undergoes extensive testing. Automated systems evaluate each chip individually. Electrical probes contact microscopic test points across the wafer surface. Any defective chips are identified and marked. Only the highest performing chips continue to the next stage. The wafer is then cut into individual dies. Each die represents a separate AI processor. These tiny pieces of silicon are carefully mounted onto advanced substrates that provide electrical connections and structural support. Packaging is far more important than most people realize. Modern AI chips consume enormous amounts of power and generate tremendous heat. Without sophisticated cooling systems, they would quickly overheat and fail. Engineers integrate advanced heat spreaders, thermal materials, and high-speed communication pathways into every package. The completed chips undergo another round of testing. Some are operated under extreme temperatures. Others perform billions of calculations during stress tests. Manufacturers verify power consumption, processing performance, and reliability. Only after passing these demanding evaluations are the chips approved for shipment. From there, the processors are delivered to data centers around the world. Inside these facilities, thousands of AI chips work together in massive clusters. Rows of servers consume enormous amounts of electricity while processing unimaginable quantities of information. These tiny pieces of silicon are carefully mounted onto advanced substrates that provide electrical connections and structural support. Packaging is far more important than most people realize. Modern AI chips consume enormous amounts of power and generate tremendous heat. Without sophisticated cooling systems, they would quickly overheat and fail. Engineers integrate advanced heat spreaders, thermal materials, and high-speed communication pathways into every package. The completed chips undergo another round of testing. Some are operated under extreme temperatures. Others perform billions of calculations during stress tests. Manufacturers verify power consumption, processing performance, and reliability. Only after passing these demanding evaluations are the chips approved for shipment. From there, the processors are delivered to data centers around the world. Inside these facilities, thousands of AI chips work together in massive clusters. Rows of servers consume enormous amounts of electricity while processing unimaginable quantities of information. Understanding AI chip manufacturing means appreciating one of the most sophisticated industrial processes ever created. From ordinary sand to microscopic transistors, from crystal growth to extreme ultraviolet lithography. Every stage represents decades of scientific research and engineering innovation. The next time you interact with artificial intelligence, remember that behind every answer lies a tiny piece of silicon, created through one of the most advanced manufacturing processes in human history. A remarkable achievement that continues pushing the boundaries of what technology can accomplish. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this exploration into the hidden world of AI chip manufacturing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating stories behind the technology shaping our future. Until next time, keep exploring the factory narrative.